What's going on, everybody? Today, as you've seen in the description, we're going to find out if these Pit Boss charcoal pellets are going to be as good as these Kingsford briquettes. Now, I love my pellet grill. I really do. I love it. With a pellet grill, you get such great flavor, smoky flavor. I mean, I've used these Pit Boss pellets, the hickory, the apple, the pecan, the competition blend, and I've always had great results with it. But with the pellet grill, you're missing that classic backyard barbecue taste of, what charcoal can give you. Well, it seems like Pit Boss may have an answer for us. Now, I've seen other reviews that say it's a great flavor. We're going to find out. What we really want to do is find out how close they are to taste to the real thing. I've seen reviews, like I said before, that it's great taste and they love it and they're very pleased with it, but nobody's ever really said it really truly gives you that charcoal taste. And that's what we're going to find out today. So what I'm going to do is we got 4 burgers over here that we're going to throw 2 on the charcoal, 2 on the pellets, and we're going to let the crazy kids try them. And I'm not going to tell the crazy kids which are which, and see if they can tell the difference, but also to see which one they like the best. Hey, even though this may, these pellets here may not give us the actual charcoal taste of a true charcoal briquette, maybe better. Let's find out. Let's go ahead and get our charcoal started here. We're not gonna need a whole lot. Oops, gotta reach in front of you. Let's get this started on here. All right, while those are getting started now, we will get the pellets going. Okay, this hopper and the auger is completely cleaned out, so let's get some of these pellets in here. All right, that ought to be enough for a couple burgers. And let's go ahead and turn it on and get the feeding through the auger while the charcoal is getting ready. There we go. Now what that's going to do is go ahead and fill up my tube to the burn pot. We're going to get these grills going here in a minute. All right, while these grills, the charcoal's getting ready, my pellets are feeding through the auger. Now, if you don't have a charcoal or a pellet grill, you're not out of this. I mean, you still can do something. What we have is an Amazin smoke tube. You fill it up full of pellets, take the lighter or, some kind of torch, light it up, let it burn for just a few minutes. I think 10 is what they recommend. Blow it out and it will smoke like crazy. I promise you. And it lasts about 4 hours. I picked this one up at Walmart for, I think, about 20 bucks. If you look in the description down below, there's a link to it on Amazon. So if you're looking for one of these for a gas grill, or just even add extra smoke to your charcoal, maybe a different flavor or something, whatever, extra smoke on your pellet grill, pick one of these up. And the charcoal's ready. So let's go ahead and get that dumped out. What we're going to do is we are going to cook with the charcoal grill just like it is on a pellet grill. Now, a pellet grill is indirect cooking. You don't cook directly over the fire. Well, so we're going to do the same thing with this charcoal grill here, which is the way I cook my hamburgers anyhow. So let's close this down, let things be heating up in there. And we got this one going. Now, to mimic, the thing about a pellet grill is the higher the temperature, the less smoke. So what I'm gonna do is set this on about 250. Now we're not comparing cooking times, charcoal compared to pellets. That's not what this is about. We're comparing flavor. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set the pellet grill on about 250 to try to maybe get a little more smoke flavor out of it. And let's see how these things taste. While waiting on the grills to heat up, I figured let's take a look at it. Now, of course, there's your regular Kingsford, regular briquettes. But here is a handful of the charcoal pellets. Now, I noticed there's a couple, not many, just different colors. And of course, if you look at some, they're like different colors within one. So it looks like it's not gonna be like a pure charcoal, maybe some wood mixed in with it. It does say on the bag that has a smoky flavor. Let's look at the bag real quick. See, it says real wood flavor, traditional smoky blend. So it's gonna be interesting to see how this turns out. It really is. Both grills are ready now. So let's go ahead and open this one up. This one's running about 250 also. As you see, we got a nice little fire going here. So we'll just take a couple of these burgers and we'll just throw them on here like that. And we'll close this one down and let her cook. I'm not adding any wood or anything else. It's just pure charcoal. And all we did was season these burgers with some salt and pepper. So, you know, we're going for a real taste of the fuel, you know, of what it's actually cooking. All right, let's move over here to the pellet grill. And let's throw a couple of these on here now. All right, we'll close them down and just let them cook. We'll come back and check on them here in just a little bit. It's been about 20 minutes. Let's just take a peek at them, see what they're looking like. Oh yeah, now the thing about the pellet grill is we won't flip them. That's one good advantage to a pellet grill. Now I actually have a burger video. I'll leave a link up top here somewhere and in the description. Doing some smokehouse burgers on the pellet grill, and you do not have to flip. Let's take a look at the charcoal here. Oh yeah, they're looking pretty good, ain't they? Now we'll flip these here in just a little bit. All right, we'll just let them go a little while longer. It is some more hot out here today. Well, it's time to give these burgers another check. Let's get a spatula here and get ready to probably flip these. Well, honestly, they're cooking different. These might be done over here, I don't know. We'll check the temp on them here in a little bit. What y'all think of that? Cooking pretty good, ain't they? Let's check on these over here on the pellet grill. See how they're doing. Well, honestly, you can tell the difference just by looking at them. But now, we see that. The kids won't know the difference. These seem to be cooking a little bit slower, even though they're about the same temperature on each grill. But that's okay. This is not about time, it's about taste. So we'll just close this back down and let them cook. The burgers on the charcoal grill are done. Let's go ahead and take these up. Now, I didn't use ground chuck for this, as you can see. They did shrink up some, but these are some pretty thick burgers. Hard to take them up with just one hand. Let me change hands, try that. There we go. All right, well now, the burgers on the charcoal grill will be on this plate. Burgers on the pellet grill will be on this plate, just so y'all know which are which. Well, I think the pellet grill burgers are done. So let's take these burgers up and we will take them inside. We got them in the house now. We got 3 of the crazy kids here looking them over. Now listen, here's the thing. One of them is cooked on charcoal. One of them is cooked on charcoal pellets on the pellet grill. Okay? Now what we want to know is if they taste the same. And if they don't, which one do you like better? Okay? So everybody try one off the plate near Michael. Get you a good piece and try it out. What's that?
This one tastes plain. Really? This one just tastes plain.
Well, all of them are plain. There's no seasoning to these.
Okay.
Can you taste the charcoal?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay.
This is the pellets.
That's the pellets?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, you want to try the other one? So you're saying that's the charcoal one? And that's the pellet ones?
Yeah, because...
All right, we'll try the other one.
No
See what
juice.
you
And
Tootie says it's the pellets.
That one's charcoal.
this one's pellets.
Now, okay, wait a minute. What do you think, Bryson? You don't know?
Charcoal or pellets?
Do both of them taste like charcoal?
Yes.
Yeah.
They do, really. They both taste, as far as taste goes, they taste the same.
Not.
No.
They do
This one
taste
has
the
more
same, but
of
you
a-
can tell.
Good. Like,
They do taste the
more
same,
big
but you can tell.
Oh, really?
taste. Like this one has more
What?
of a charcoal taste to it. This one is just.
Now, which one has more of a charcoal taste? Point to it. That one does. Okay, and the other one is more of a not charcoal taste.
Mhm.
What do you think, Michael?
That's charcoal and that's pellet.
Yeah, but how can you tell? Is what I'm asking you.
Cause this one's
No, by taste. How can taste? Not looks or anything. Taste.
I don't know. I only knew by the looks.
Okay, well, how does it taste, Michael?
It tastes the same as charcoal.
Okay, so both of them taste like charcoal.
Yes.
Okay, so I guess we got that straight. So one don't taste no different than the other, right?
This one has
Is that what
more.
you're saying, Michael?
Mhm.
All right.
Okay.
my turn.
What do you think? They both taste the same to you?
Yeah, but
Yeah.
except for this one has a lighter charcoal taste. That's why I think it's charcoal.
You think that one's pellets?
Oh yeah, pellets.
Okay. You ready to find out what's what?
Yeah.
All right. That plate near Michael come off the charcoal grill.
Oh.
Plate over here in front of you, Tootie, in front by Bryson, come off the pellet. Now, if you look, honestly,
Juicy.
And it has,
it has a
red-
pinker look to it, like a more smoked look compared to the charcoal one. And actually, they were both cooked about the same temperature, about 250. So you can't say one was a lot higher heat that caused that. So there you go. You like it?
Can I eat this?
Which do you like better?
I like
The
the
pellet.
charcoal.
You like the charcoal butter, you like the pellet butter. Okay. All right. Well, I tell you what, while these kids finish eating everything and making them a hamburger, y'all check out these other awesome videos. And what else do we need to do?
You need to like, subscribe, comment down below if you want to be a part of the Crazy Crew, hashtag Crazy Crew, and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified of all of our videos.
That's right. So, y'all get all that done. We're fixing to get all this done. And we'll see you next time.